So if you couldn't already tell by the footage, we did get our sweet potatoes harvested. Now, we did that about 2 weeks ago and they've been curing ever since. So I just want to run you through really quickly what we did in order to cure them. So after we harvested them, we brushed the bulk of the dirt off and then we put them on a table with some cardboard underneath them and we spread them out and we let them sit for 2 weeks. And now they're cured and they're ready to go in storage. Their skins are super fragile, so they need time to kind of like their skin to thicken, and they do that by sitting out in the air. And you want them somewhere between 80 and 70 degrees. It can be a little higher, it can be a little lower, but that is your ideal temperature. I also got our banana peppers harvested, and those are spicy, so we'll be pickling those and making spicy pickled banana peppers. And then we also have some marigolds, which I'm going to go ahead and harvest some seeds from real quick because tomorrow is going to get down to 39 and I want to get those seeds before they get frostbite. So let's get cracking. thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend it with me, and I mean that. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to hit that big red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time that I upload a brand new video, and that way you'll get notified and you will indeed never miss a brand new video. If you want to keep up with me more, you can head over to my Instagram at Jonathan L. Deputy. I will leave that linked in the description box below, so if you want to come over there and say hi, you can. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys later. Bye.